Welcome back to Mental Math. Here's an interesting problem that at first glance seems like a tedious calculation. However, there's a remarkably elegant algebraic structure hidden within. Instead of multiplying these large numbers, let's represent them algebraically to find a general pattern. Let's define a variable n as the first number in the sequence, which is 20. Now we can rewrite the entire expression in terms of n. The key insight is to rearrange the terms. We'll group the outer terms and the inner terms together to create a common structure. Let's multiply the red terms and the green terms separately. First, expanding the product of n and n plus 3 gives n squared plus 3n. Next, let's expand the product of n plus 1 and n plus 2 using the distributive property. This gives n squared plus 2, n plus 2. We can combine the like terms in the middle, and this simplifies to n squared plus 3n plus 2. The common structure is now clear. This common expression allows for a powerful substitution. Our current expression has a repeated component. Let us replace the term n squared plus 3n with a single variable to simplify the structure. We'll define x to be n squared plus 3n. Substituting x into the expression simplifies it dramatically. Expanding the terms inside the square root gives a familiar quadratic. This expression is a perfect square trinomial. A squared plus 2, ab plus b squared equals the quantity a plus b, all squared. Our expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 perfectly matches this pattern. It factors into the square of the quantity x plus 1. The square root of a squared term is technically its absolute value. However, since n is a positive integer, x, which is n squared plus 3n, is also positive. Thus, x plus 1 is positive, and we can safely remove the square and square root. This simplifies the entire expression to just x plus 1. Now, we can back-substitute to find the numerical answer. Our simplified expression is x plus 1. We now replace x with its original definition, n squared plus 3n. This gives us n squared plus 3n plus 1. Finally, we substitute our original value, n equals 20. This gives us 20 squared plus 3 times 20 plus 1. First, let's evaluate 20 squared. 20 squared is 400. Next, we calculate 3 times 20, which is 60. Now we add from left to right. 400 plus 60 is 460, and adding 1 gives the final answer, 461. There's another way to view the final expression that provides a satisfying confirmation. Our result was n squared plus 3n plus 1. This can be factored by taking out n. This gives n times the quantity n plus 3, all plus 1. This reveals a remarkable property. The answer is simply the product of the first and last numbers of the original sequence, plus 1. For our specific case, that's 20 times 23, plus 1. 20 times 23 is 460. Adding 1 confirms our answer of 461. A problem that appeared to be about brute force was solved by revealing its underlying algebraic beauty. Thanks for watching this elegant solution to what seemed like a computational nightmare. The key insight was recognizing the hidden, perfect square to trinomial lurking beneath the surface. If you enjoyed seeing how algebra can transform a complex calculation into a simple pattern, please give this video a like and subscribe for more mathematical insights. Until next time, keep looking for the beauty in the structure.